Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you skin whitening, get milky, fair, spotless skin. This works if you do have black spots, dark spots, melasma and pigmentation, hyperpigmentation. This remedy will work for you 100%. It is super effective and super helpful without any side effects. You will whiten your skin tone and you will get fair, spotless, milky skin like Japanese, and you will be amazed with the result. It's an Asian secret that whiten the skin tone naturally. So the first ingredient we need is lentil seeds, and we do need around 2 to 3 teaspoons of lentil seeds, and we need to grind it fine into a grinder like so, my friends. After we grind it fine, we need to take around 2 teaspoons of grinded fine lentil seeds. Then, my friends, we need to add same quantity of cornstarch and add 2 teaspoons of starch. Mix well the ingredients like so. We need to add the same quantity, so if you add 1 teaspoon of lentil powder, add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Then we need to add half quantity of sugar, so add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Sugar is super effective in removing dead cells and removing dead skin, and it's amazingly effective and beneficial for skin whitening and get even toned skin naturally. After we have all the dried ingredients like so, our remedy is almost ready. Now we need 1 lemon. Cut the lemon in half like so. And all you need to do is dip the lemon into the ingredients like that and apply it on your skin. Massage the skin with it like so. Apply it on face, on hands, on feet, on any place that you want to whiten your skin tone and get milky, fair, spotless skin. It works from first time, my friends, and it's super effective, and you will not get any kind of side effects. It bleaches the skin naturally and it removes any kind of dead skin. After you massage it for 5 minutes like so, leave it to dry out and then rinse it with lukewarm water, and my friends, the result will amaze you. It is super effective remedy and super helpful.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.